After the waters destroyed all living things and prevailed on the earth 150 days, then God remembered Noah and every living thing. In the biblical context, the God who remembers means the fulfillment of His promise and often refers to salvation. This means that the waters stopped. Noah goes out only when God finally tells him to do so. That is, even when he knows it's safe to leave, Noah still relies on God and waits for God's signal before going out of the ark. He waited patiently within the ark, following Noah's faithful footsteps. I want you to and I to rely on God all the time. Tomorrow, we'll talk about God's covenant with Noah.